Welcome! In the previous video, we installed Playwright and run example test. Today we'll create our first automation script and understand every line of the code. By the end of this episode, you should create a test file from scratch, understand the Playwright test structure, learn test, understand the page, navigate to the website, interact with the elements, add sessions, run and debug tests, understand the common beginner mistake. A test usually includes open website, locate elements, perform actions, validate expected result, creating test step, open project, create a new test file, understand the script structure, navigation to the website, use locates, actions, validate page title, fill in text box, click on button, execute test. Basic script structure. You see here is the first line in the header constant, this one, required Playwright test. This is a paragraph test open, this is a test case name, and Async here. So from this structure, you should understand, require, this import Playwright and test. Test is create test case, expect validation, async line, allow to wait page, waiting page, page, this is a page, this is a browser page object, common beginner errors, error cause and how fix, locate the field, this is a strict modern validation, multiple matching elements, use more specific locate, cannot find locate, run select, inspect page, timeout executed, elements level appears, verify locate, also maybe you can extend timeout. I start Visual Studio Code and open project yesterday we create. This is a Playwright beginner. So open this project so you can see here, yesterday we install, like this one is a dependency. Every dependency include Playwright here. And here is report, and here is a test report directory. And test, yesterday is create this one. We can create a new test under this tests folder. Also, we can see structure like a package located JSON and a package JSON. Also, this file we call the Playwright configure JS. So you can see here is in the config, we can add more item in the config. So in this one, we can add a new script. So we can create a new script, give the new script name. If I call the first script, we have like this one, and JS. JS is a JavaScript. So this is create a new test script on the tests folder. Then I can put a content here. So I copy paste here. You see here is the first line we introduced before, like the require Playwright, import Playwright. And here is a test case. Open a Google website and wait this page come up. More action I can add here. So you can see here is wait and page go to the Google. Then I can expect the page, Google page have the page title Google. So this one I can run from the terminal. So start running. Okay, so this is first we can run from here. We can look the code. You see here we have like the test. Also we have expect. Expect is validation. And here is a wait page. When a page come up, go to. So you see go to is a web page URL. So this is a go to the Google page. And the wait page and the check page, expect is a validator. Page have the title. Title is Google. So this is a two action. One is a go to web page. Another is a validation. So if I just run this script, I don't want to run this. So you can, from the command line, just tap this one, you can run. You see here, if you run the test or the test on the tests folder or the test run, if you give the name, you just run. It just runs the name the script. So I gave the first script. So let me run. What happened? Okay, so the test is not found. We look at it. Okay, it need like the defined the locate. So this script locate tests folder. So give the test this one and can run the script right now. And this run use the 6 runner, so it's a parallel run. So like the two, you see here is a Firefox, and check this one, Firefox is fair, but the web key Chrome mail is pass. So this time I special browser. So dash project equal web key. If I use web kit, can run this one. You see this two tests run, and also you see the pass. And this is go to the Google page and check the Google name is there. If I change this one, I give the Facebook or something. See what happened for this one. You see here is a fail. So what fail? You see have the title is Facebook because this title should have the Google. So this is a validation expector fail. So I change it back. This time I want to do more action, so add the code here. What for this one is go to the page, locate, find the Q, and this is the name is equal Q, and the field, and that is a Google search box, and tap Playwright, this one, in the search box, and click the return and key. So we can see what happened for this one. Let me run this test. Okay, it's a pass. Let me see what this one. Open the test. Okay. I cannot find it. So I open the test. This is for this one, and for this one is like a further script. So you can see here is go to the Google and the page and have the title pass. You see what we want. Have the Google, and here is go to the Google web page. Then find this search box Q, name equal Q, and type this in the search box. Press enter key. So you see here is finish the test. Then I want validate this get a correct return. So add the code here. You see with the page and find the body, and this body have the Playwright. So I save it and run. Okay, I can run this test. Okay, this time is a pass. So I can open this one. You see here, check return, like search. After search, check return. This return contain text Playwright. So test pass. Okay, we run in another like a headed model. You can see the browser this time. Test finish. And also you can run the debugger model. If you run the debugger model, open this one. So you see here is a go-to page. So you can one by one check. Go to page. Yeah, you can see is a finish. You can run another model, UI model. This is a UI model, so you can run it. Yeah, is a go to web page is a pass. You may create your test requirement, open Google, search scenario, verify scenario appears, run test in headed model. Great job! You wrote your first Playwright automation test from scratch. In day 3, we will learn locate strategy and how Playwright find web elements. See you next time.